Hey, Kelly.
Hey friends, Kelly here, and I'm here to do another luxury unboxing. So if you are new to my channel, again, my name is Kelly. I do luxury unboxings, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, that type of thing. So if you are interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So like I was saying, I got this purse. I don't know, I feel like it's a classic purse and I really wanted it. I've been wanting it, I'm not gonna say for quite some time because I hadn't, but a friend of mine, I've seen it on YouTube. I saw it at 408, California 408 had this bag. Marguerite from Kiko's Beauty had this bag, and when I saw Marguerite's bag in person, I was like, okay, that's really, really nice. Without further ado, here it is on the box. Oops, I have the box upside down. So this is not an actual true unboxing. I did open this box already, and well, I'll get into why I may open the box in a second. And this is actually my second time filming this video, and because I didn't like the content on the first one, but here she is in the dust bag, Gucci dust bag. But here she is. It is the Gucci Dionysus in the small size. The medium size is, to me, when I saw it on YouTube, it looked really, really big. And I decided to get the black with the, well, the black instead of the taupe, because I felt like the taupe, I just felt like I could wear so many Louis Vuitton bags that I have, and I needed a black bag, so that's why I got it. And here you can see the lion's clasp, and I think it's interesting that it's called the Gucci Dionysus because, okay, so I'm very much into Greek mythology, and if you did not know, which you probably know by now because this bag has been out for quite some time, but it is the Greek god of wine, spirits, partying. Okay, that was Dionysus, and the Roman god was the Roman equivalent is Bacchus. I'm so, like, any type of like mythology, I'm pretty well versed. I'm not as well versed on my Norse mythology, I know. So here the bag is, and I like the black with the suede. Though the large, the back has like a big black pocket, which I kind of don't like that, to be honest. And you have to squeeze the insert inside to open it, and right in the front. And if you see this pink, that's because I created a purse insert. So that's another reason why I already opened it, because I wanted to make a purse insert, you know, to protect the inside of the bag. So inside it has a pocket right in the front underneath the flap. So here's the flap, and then you have two compartments. And that, like I said, the pink is actually I'll just take this out. This is the insert. Then you have another big pocket on the back, and then you have a zipper pocket in the front, and this is the tag. And inside is another insert I created, and a swatch of the material. And this is like, people think this is like in case you have like a hole or something. When people see these extra swatches of materials, it's not. It is to test whatever you're gonna do to the bag out. Like, let's say you wanted to put some type of cleaner or something like that. This is what that is for. And I'll put it back in the little foam thing. So I have my care cards. I think this is what these are. Yeah, the care cards. I set the tag, and I already put my purse hook. Now this is a different type of purse hook than I'm used to using. So it goes like that, and then how do I flip it? It's a way to like, oh, you have to pull it all the way out. So this one is like a little more sturdier than my other purse hook that you guys have seen. And I like this one, is like a rose. This one's the shape of a rose, and I have different colors. Okay. So I'm gonna put that back in. The bag retails for, if you can see, $2,290. I like the silver, or maybe the gunmetal, and I think it's a really good size. I don't see myself wearing it so much in the summer because of the black, but I think it would be, I think it's a great addition to my collection and anyone's collection. Now, what I really like about this is the versatility. Like I said, you can dress it up or down, and I really like that, because I think this bag specifically with the black gives it a fun edginess. But before I show you the mod shots, check out my cup, you guys. It has my name on it. Kelly, well, of course you see the flip, but of course that's my name. And I love that it's the 30 ounces, because 3 of these is my, if I fill this up with water 3 times in a day, this is my water intake for the day. So, which I should have bought a giant thing to drink water in. But I have diet lemonade in here now. But see, it's got the LVs. I thought that was really cute.
Yeah, it's all I want us to be. Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want her to, so come on, stop running, I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When I need, when I love me, you're the one for me.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I absolutely love my Gucci Dionysus. I have another Gucci unboxing, or Gucci, well, it's not gonna be a Gucci unboxing, a Gucci reveal that I will edit, well, I will film, edit. Here she is. I love the handbag. I will see you guys at a later date.